Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with 4 work from home job leads. Now, all of these job leads are for my United States folks only, and they all provide computer equipment for you. Some of them even provide, outside of computer equipment, an additional work from home stipend so that you can get your home office set up. So these work from home jobs are perfect for those of you who want to break into the work from home field, but you don't have computer equipment and you don't have a home office setup, which gives you less jobs overall that you are qualified for. So even if these work from home jobs are not your dream forever job, it gives you that chance to break into that field. If you can work from home from a company that provides computer equipment for you, you can make money, and work on saving up money to then buy your own computer equipment and build out your own home office. And then you are open and eligible for more work from home jobs that don't provide the computer equipment. So then you can always leave these jobs and go to your forever dream job later. It is just a stepping stone to get you to where you want to be. But with that being said, we will just dive on in. First up, we have an inventory admin specialist that is being hired by the company Athletic Greens. And so they are looking for someone to be responsible for data entry and integrity of all supply chain data flows into NetSuite in order to support their global network. So you'll monitor and maintain current inventory levels. You'll process purchasing orders as required. You'll track orders and ensure all system movements match the physical movements of goods, and you'll investigate any problems. You'll record purchases and maintain the NetSuite database. You'll process and document returns required following the established procedures, and you'll perform routine clerical duties, including data entry and spreadsheet management. Now, if that sounds good to you, they're looking for someone who has 2 years of experience monitoring or maintaining inventory, someone who can demonstrate the ability to quickly adapt to changing conditions and solving problems, someone who has advanced computer skills with 1 to 3 years experience using NetSuite, someone who can show the ability to work well under pressure, someone who has effective written and verbal communication skills and can multitask. Now, while this job lead does not list salary, it does give some of their benefits overview. Especially, they have a 90% premium coverage for medical, dental, and vision plans, so you only have to pay 10% of the premiums. They pay for your short-term disability and life insurance. They also give you a monthly fitness class credit for your health and fitness journey. They offer 401k plans and paid time off. And it says that they also offer a brand new company laptop and in addition to that, a generous home office budget so you can work your best. Next up, we have the huge credit card company American Express. They are hiring travel consultants for their travel and lifestyle services. Now, they have starting positions and classes in September and October, so make sure you get those resumes and applications in. And they are also offering $2,000 sign-on bonus. Now, this position is going to be in the customer service realm. They are looking for someone delighted for their premium card members for unforgettable travel experiences. You'll have to understand the customer needs through consultation and deliver an innovative and extraordinary interaction through multi-channel servicing. You'll research, plan, and carry out any personalized travel experiences for them. You'll have to show ability to provide premium customer service, ideally in a call center, experience servicing customers, hospitality, concierge services, and lifestyle services, and have the ability to thrive in a results-driven environment. Now, it does say you need to be able to work nights and weekends because their card services have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer service access. Now, when they list their home office requirements, it says bring your own internet program. They're requiring you to have the internet, and it tells you what internet you need to have. Additional work from home requirements: you have to have a secure home office that is located in your residence free from background noise, and you have to reside within one of 47 states. They do not hire at this time in Alaska, California, and Hawaii. But it sounds like they provide all the computer equipment outside of your internet for you. Next up, if you don't mind customer service, then the company Jobble is hiring a customer service representative. They are looking for someone specifically available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, someone who is passionate about helping and serve communities and customers, historically underserved communities of job seekers and business partners, someone who can impact new processes while helping build out the community, someone who assesses tone and direction of all their interactions when it's appropriate to escalate or de-escalate a situation. You need to be able to proactively problem solve and find trending issues, and of course working well collaboratively within a team. So they are looking for someone who has strong customer service skills, including live chat, email, and phone, someone who has a previous experience in a high volume support role, someone who has exceptional written and verbal communication skills, a problem solver, and someone who can multitask or use multiple systems at the same time. Now again, while they did not list pay for this position, that is always dependent on location and experience and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. It says you have the ability to work anywhere as a perk from working for them. It says they also offer competitive compensation. They offer standard benefits such as health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and of course equipment provided to complete your job duties. And last but not least, we have the company The Hartford. They are hiring a virtual auto service representative to work remote within the United States. And so an auto service representative is accountable for timely completion of assigned auto damage appraisals. And so what you'll be doing is oversight and timely completion of accurate damage appraisals. You'll provide economic means of repair or replacement as needed while helping to establish the total loss values and handling any complaints from the customers. You'll triage and utilize multiple estimating channel options quickly and efficiently to come up with your estimates for total loss values. You'll provide reinspection of repaired vehicles. You'll properly assess the expense exposures, and you'll provide outstanding customer service while operating within a team. They are looking for someone who has a minimum of 2 years of auto estimating experience. Someone who has a background working prior service industry is a plus, but not required. Someone who can demonstrate the ability to establish and maintain strong relationships with coworkers, someone who is self-motivated and can also work independently, and of course, someone who lives in the United States. Now, please note, because you are looking at damaged cars and appraising things, you may need to travel for this one time to time. Now, again, you're going to have your own internet, but they are going to provide the computer equipment for you, and this job does pay very well. It starts out anywhere from $57,760 all the way up to $86,640 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.